Hey everyone, I am Julia Bognar, and today we are going to do a quick but very powerful tricep exercise. We are doing this from our knees, which sounds like it's going to be easy, but trust me, it's going to get hard. It will be over soon, but you will feel it for the next few days, I promise. We are going to walk out. You're going to do a tricep push-up, 1, and then come back. Right away, we're going to go back again. So we're going to do 1, then walk out 2, then 3, then 4, all the way up to 8. After we hit 8, we're gonna come back down. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. After 1, we're gonna go back and just do an 8-second hold in chaturanga, or you can stay on your knees, push back up, and that's it. To modify, and I'll remind you as we go, you can keep it close and just do that. At some point, that might be enough. All right, really spread your fingers, engage your fingers, hug your elbows in, draw your shoulders back. Are we ready? Are you? Oh, this is Scout. She's gonna take a nap while we do this, but we're ready. Okay, so here we go. Walk forward. Do 1 push-up, down and up, and walk back. Good, right away. Take it forward. And let's do 2. 1 and 2. Okay, not so bad. Let's go again. We're on 3, elbows close. 1, 2, and 3. Nice. Come back, move it up. We're on 4. This is 1. And down 2, down 3, and 4. Great job. And take it back right away. We're on 5. That's 1, down 2, down 3, down 4, and down 5. Getting a little tougher right away. Take it forward for 6. Here we go. Down 1, down 2, and 3, down 4, down 5, down 6. All right. Okay, right away, back out. We're on 7. I'm not gonna go as far out this time. Here's 1, down 2, down 3, down 4, down 5, down 6. 1 more, down, and 7. Okay, there's no break though. Take it out forward one more time. We're on 8, then we'll go back down. Here's 1, down, that's 2, down, 3, down, 4, down, 5, down, 6, down, 7, 1 more, down, push 8. Okay, now we're not done. Right away, we're going forward again for 7. Here we go. Down, 7, and 6, 5, adjust if you need to. 4, shoulders come forward. 3, 2, 1 more, and 1. Oh boy. Good news is that we're going downhill, so we're on 6 this time. Let's go down. Here's 6, down, 5, down, 4, hug your elbows close, down, 3, down, 2, 1 more, and whew. All right, and forward again. 5, let's go down, and 5, 4, 3, 2, anyone else struggling, and 1. All right, let's go forward. I'm going even closer this time for 4. Down, 1, 2, 3, 1 more, 4, walk it back, walk it forward, 3s, that's 1, 2 more, 1 more, and bring it in, 2, forward, down and up just twice, that's 1, and 2, walk it back. All right, 1 good one. Let's go down and up, and walk back, walk forward, and hold it for a count of 8. Elbows in tight. You can go from your knees or lift your knees for 8, 7, hold it, 6, 5, you got this, 4, 3, and 2, push up. I'm gonna go to my knees first, and then push up, yow! That's it. How'd you do? My arms, I feel like they're not gonna work very good tomorrow. Pull your elbow back, stretch that out, relax your shoulder. Really, really good job. And the other side. Shake it out. All right, guys. That's it. do it. Let me know how it goes. Let me know how you feel tomorrow and the next day. All right, I'll see you soon. Bye.